Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually switch or change your Google account from the Chrome browser. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to switch your Google account in Chrome browser. In this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually switch your Google account in Chrome browser. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, what you want to do is I'm going to simply open my Chrome browser, and let's say I also have added multiple accounts on this Android phone right over here. And what if I actually want to switch those Google accounts in this Chrome browser? So on the top right, you can see the current profile or the current Google account on which it is currently logged in. And in order to actually switch the account, what we want to do is in the search box, we want to simply go ahead and type in myaccount.google.com. so make sure to enter this correct URL. I'm also going to leave the links down in the description box. Once you go to myaccount.google.com, by default it is going to take us to the primary account page. Now what you want to do is from the top right hand side, you want to simply tap on your Google profile photo, and here at the bottom you'll find an option which says manage accounts. So go ahead and tap on manage accounts. As you tap on manage accounts, again in this menu you want to select the bottom option which says manage accounts on this device. Now the way this works is that in order to actually switch your account in Chrome browser, you would actually have to remove your current Google account from your phone and then actually sign out and then sign into another Google account which you actually want to use. So here what you want to do is simply tap on the mail, and here you want to simply select the account from which you want to sign out and then leave the account to which you want to sign into. So go ahead and tap on the account which you want to sign out. As you tap on that, what you can do is simply tap on the remove account button. As you tap on remove account, it is going to ask us a confirmation. Go ahead and tap on remove account and then come back, and then when you open Chrome, and you will be automatically logged into another Google account which you want to use. As you saw it earlier, we had two accounts, but now we only have one, and you can go ahead and use this account on your Google or your Chrome browser. This was the way on how you could very easily switch your Google account in Chrome browser. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.